Imagine a fuel that can reduce India's crude oil imports and also help the farmers earn more. Meet the E85 fuel. So that has been recently launched by the Indian government. And what is this E85 fuel? E stands for ethanol and 85 means that in this fuel we will be having 85% of ethanol that would be blended with 15% of the petrol. Earlier, India has already achieved the 20% blending target by the year 2025. That was E20. Now we have come up with E85, यानी कि इसमें 85% क्या होगा? Ethanol. और ethanol कहाँ से बनता है? That is produced by the fermentation process of the sugar crops, right? So sugar crops would be taken from the farmers, right? The maize, the corn, and rice, and then we have rotten potatoes, and all of these crops can be used for the fermentation to produce ethanol, and this ethanol would be blended with the petrol. But this is the E85 version. But the problem here is that this cannot be used on every vehicle. So we have specially designed flex fuel vehicles, the FFVs, on which we can use this E85 variant. The government is also promoting this variant, and of course the government has made it much cheaper compared to the normal petrol, right? So it's 20 rupees much cheaper than the normal petrol that is there in the market, but it can only be used on the FFVs, that are the flex fuel vehicles. ऐसे vehicles जिनके engines adapt कर सकते हैं to use any kind of variant from E20 to E80, E85 or E100, any large combination of the blending. So those vehicles can only be utilized. But what is important for us here is that this is a greater step. Of course, the ethanol blending program had been a long run program since 2003, but this is one of the recent steps that the government has taken for it. Along with that, it is also producing, or it is going to be a very greener step towards the energy availability. It will help in reducing the crude oil imports, because we are importing a lot of crude oil for our energy needs, and along with that it will also supplement the farmers' income.